So now my hands tied or holding
Oh.
it up.
You tell me stop. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a bit different. I'm going to be doing my brother's hair. I'm going to be styling his dreads. He'll have the barrel twist in the front and the 2-strand twist in the back. This is his hair now. I'll do a light palm roll because he already tightened his dreads, a few weeks ago, so I don't need tightening, but just to style it. And I'll be using the Haitian Shea Locking Wax. I got this from All About You. So let's get started.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay guys, so like I said, I'm going to use the Haitian Locking Wax, and this is what it looks like inside. I won't be doing a full tighten on his hair, and I won't be using much because you don't want any buildup on your dread. So I'm using a little just to palm roll a bit because I tightened his hair about a week ago before this video. Yeah, so you can watch closely and see what I'm going to do. You want to get your parts straight. I parted before I recorded, or I started recording. Now I'm going to be using my clips to keep the twist in place, well, the palm roll in place so that it doesn't unravel. I'll do the other dread as well before, combining it together for the 2-strand twist. You want to twist in the direction that you palm rolled in for the lock that's going to go on top. I don't know if I'm making sense. I think I did a closer look so you guys can see exactly what I did. Just so that it doesn't twist out on its own. So you'll get the flow of it after you started, or if you've tried. After you twist it, if you don't have it twist the right way, it can unravel even after you put the elastic at the end to secure it. But this is what the first twist looks like. This here is a jumbo lock. He combined 2 of his dreads and to form a jumbo lock. He wanted them this size. Well, at one point, I'm not sure if he still wanted that size, but I don't usually do a 2-strand twist with that lock because it threw off the count, but I believe I did it later on in the video. So I'm going to be using my rat tail comb to part the dreads and define his parts, because when you style, you don't want the hair to be overlapping or any stray hairs to come across into the other dread. You want your parts to be neat. So I'm going to use my comb part, make sure it's sectioned off properly, take a bit of locking wax, and then I'm going to palm roll. Once I've done this, I'll clip it with my clip, and I'll clip it onto another twist that is already done just so it holds in place, and then I'm going to move on with the next one. So I'm finally getting up close and personal. You can see me palm roll the first dread or lock. Then I'm going to go over to the second one, do the same thing, add a bit of lock wax, and then palm roll. I don't know if you noticed, but I've parted off I've parted off the back from the front. So the back, he wants two strand twist, and the front barrel twist. And this is how I do. As I'm twisting, I twist the hair into the dread so it's neat. So I roll and then I twist. I roll and then I twist. And then I add my elastic at the end. Okay, so now I'm about to section off the barrel twist, the parts for the barrel twist. I take 2 rows each just to make sure that they're even, and then I group them together just to keep them out my way, and then I'll get started. Once I've done that, I'm clearing off my parts again just to make sure that they're neat. He's getting comfortable. Then I'm gonna lightly palm roll each thread, and that's gonna be in the barrel twist. I'm not gonna go in detail with most of them because they'll be buried in the style, but I am gonna do a few, at least the front and the borderline. Okay, so let's get close so we can see what's going on. I take 2 dreads and I twist them together for as far as I feel comfortable. Then I take 1 dread from one side and I wrap it around the 2 strand twist that I just made. After I've done that, I'll take a dread from the other side and wrap it over in the next direction. I'm going to keep doing that while I'm going down. Sorry, it loosed up a bit there. I'm going to do that going down. Then I'm going to take it, but I'm not going to go on one side and take all and go over and over and then do the other side. You take one side at a time and you make sure that they pair up so that they're equally over, as you can see in the dread previous to that one or prior to that one that I'm doing now. I smack a whole lot. I'm sorry guys. But yeah, so this is how it looks and this is how I do it. I hope this helps. I take the other and I go over, and then I take the final one from the other side, and then I take that back over, and that's why it's a barrel, because it's coating the twist that is between. Then I take my elastic or my rubber band and I secure that twist. Okay, so this is the final product. I cannot tell you why he wants the ends of the barrel twist open and not 2 strand twists or twisted, but this is how it looks at the end. I just have to oil his scalp and that will be all. So these are the 2 strand twists under, and then on the top I have the barrel twist. Once he sleeps with his cap on, the hair should lay flat, like even the barrel twist in the front that are left open, they'll lay flat and it wouldn't be sticking up in the air. But you have to keep in mind that this is a thick short dread tutorial, and I hope this video helps you guys out. I tried to do it in the most simple way as possible and what helped me. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.